Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, 5-minute low back pain fix. Now, I do make a lot of good content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues such as sciatica, herniated discs, bulging discs, lumbar stenosis, lumbar arthritis. If that is you, then hit that subscribe button. You'll get notified when I make some great content, upload it for you guys to get you back on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, so today I want to show you a quick, easy follow-through 5-minute routine to help if you've got some low back pain, stiffness in your lower back. Now I know the video is longer than 5 minutes because I have to explain each particular movement you're going to do, but the actual routine is 5 minutes in total. Now, your low back pain could be caused by many things. You've been gardening, working too hard in the gym, picking up the kids incorrectly, whatever, picking up the shopping, doing some yard work, etc. So if you wake up with some low back pain, stiffness, okay, you get back from work, it's really sore, you want to try some of these activities to alleviate that stress, that pain, you can follow along with this today. Now do bear in mind, if the back pain is coming from a herniated disc, bulging disc, you need to get that checked out properly and get some work with a professional, okay? Now, we're going to get straight into this right now. What I want you to do, if you do have that low back pain stiffness, get down on the floor, okay? I'm going to show you front and to the side here. You want to lie in the back, put your feet just outside hip width apart, and we're going to rest the head down, and you're going to let your knees drop from side to side very gently, and you're just going to go over just a nice rocking motion. I'll just show you from the angle here, and you're not going to force it. You're going to do this for 1 minute. Just a gentle side to side motion, not pushing it too far. And you should get some stretching relief on the sides of your spine there. So you would do this for 1 minute, okay? Then we're going to change. You're going to bring both knees in together. Bring my hands either on top of my knees or behind my knees, and gently bring them in towards your chest until you can feel tension happening in the low back region. Once you feel that tension, you're just going to hold it there for about 20 to 30 seconds. Release it off for 5 seconds, and then bring it back on for 25-30 seconds. That's another minute in this position, so that's 2 minutes, okay? In total you've done so far. Then we're going to gently put down one leg. I'm going to take this knee, take my right hand, and then just gently bring it over to one side. I should feel a stretch around the back and hip region. Where I start to feel the stretch, I just want to hold it there for 30 seconds, and then we're going to gently bring it back. Going to bring the other knee up. Going to place one knee down. Take this side here, pull it over to this side. Start feeling a stretch in the lower back and the glute region. So we're hitting numerous different muscles here. Hold that 30 seconds. That's us into our 3rd minute now. Return. Now I'm going to ask you guys to gently rotate onto your side and then onto your front. I'm going to come up into this position here. I do a little bit of mobility, cat, cow, cat, camel move. What I want you to do, knees under hips, hands under my shoulders. I'm going to drop my chin towards my chest, at the same time gently roll my spine up towards the ceiling, and then I'm going to do the opposite motion. And I want you to go not to the full end range. You're just going to mobilize gently what I call the mid-range. So I'm not forcibly extending my spine or my neck. I'm not forcibly rounding my spine the other direction. I'm going somewhere in that middle pain-free range for 1 minute. Very gentle, the same speed that I'm doing here. Then what I want you to finish with for a minute, a couple of big towels, more likely a pillow cushion off of the bed. Going to place these under here, under the thighs region, top of the hips. Going to lie on here. Now, you're going to lie here for 1 minute, deep breathing, forehead in your hand. I'm not going to speak when I'm down there because obviously it's going to be muffled. But what happens, you put your chest down, head down, onto the top of the hands, and then big, deep belly breaths for 1 minute. Now when I say belly breaths, I want you to expand that stomach, because what happens is when the stomach expands and pushes into the ground here, it is essentially your spine is lifting up and you're getting a little bit of decompression, and it's helping put slack on those muscles and relax those muscles off. So you would stay down there for a minute. So that makes a complete 5-minute low back pain relief circuit. Guys, listen, I hope you found that useful, productive. Any questions, comments, please hit me up in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.